My name is Neil Allred. I work for a provider agency called Northeastern Services. I also represent UACS, which is the Provider Association in Utah that meets the needs of about 80% of the community-based waiver. I wanted to speak today about this crisis. The situation that we have found ourselves in is a very difficult one. About a year ago, when we were working through the pandemic, we started to notice that the wages that we were able to pay, which on average were $11.45 an hour, we started to see that was not enough. We started noticing fewer and fewer employees coming in for interviews, and as that number started to decrease and we started to recognize this crisis that we were finding ourselves in, the state was able to bring together some American Rescue Act money. They were able to bring in 5%.
Right now, the average industry wage is $12.50, and with that being the average wage, it's still extremely difficult to find anyone that's willing to come in and apply for jobs.
$12.50 an hour is not enough. Or we can't raise the wages based off of the situation we're in. We are funded through state and federal dollars, and the only way to increase wages is through the legislature. And as we continue down this road, we are advocating for that increase to get wages up to $17, $18 an hour. Our request is $40 million to the state. And that's what it's going to take in state dollars to get those wages where they need to be to compete.
The other part that we have to work with is that we have about a 70 to 95% turnover rate, because the few staff that we have are working long hours, 70 to 90-hour weeks, and with that, the ability to even help the individuals is we're in survival in a lot of situations, and so with that, this staffing crisis has become very detrimental to the individuals that we serve in the community.
When this road continues, there are not options for individuals with disabilities in the state. If we can't provide services, there is nowhere for them to go. Our system is very fragile. And if we don't do something about the current situation we're in, individuals with disabilities' lives will largely be impacted. Lastly, I want to just give a shout out to the employees that are working in the industry. Thank you for all of your effort. Thank you for your dedication and your service. Without you, we cannot survive. And these people need us.